In 1837, a 13-year-old boy left his village in the Jura Mountains of France with nothing. No money, no connections, no plan. He walked. For 2 years, he walked 400 kilometers to Paris, sleeping in fields, working odd jobs along the way, eating whatever he could find. When he finally arrived, he became an apprentice to Monsieur Maréchal, a master boxmaker and trunk packer for Parisian high society. His name was Louis Vuitton, and that walk, that 2-year journey with nothing in his hands, would eventually produce the most counterfeited luxury brand in human history. In Paris, Louis discovered he had an extraordinary gift: packing. Not just organizing luggage, but understanding how to protect the most precious belongings of the wealthiest people in the world. He was precise, meticulous, obsessively careful. Word spread fast among the Parisian elite. In 1854, Louis opened his own shop on Rue Neuve de Capucine in Paris. He was 30 years old. His first major client was Empress Eugénie, wife of Napoleon III. She chose Louis Vuitton to pack her trunks for every royal journey. That single appointment changed everything. Louis did not just pack bags, he redesigned them entirely. At the time, most trunks had rounded tops, impossible to stack during long journeys by ship or train. Louis created a flat-top trunk, lightweight, airtight, perfectly stackable, covered in a signature gray canvas that was both durable and unmistakable. Competitors immediately copied it, so Louis changed the canvas to brown and beige stripes. They copied that too. In 1888, he introduced the damier canvas, a checkered pattern with the words Marque LV Vuitton déposé, meaning registered trademark, one of the first brand protection strategies in fashion history. He understood something most businessmen of his era did not. The product was not the trunk. The product was the name on it. Louis Vuitton was not making luggage. He was building an identity. And no one could stop him. Louis Vuitton died in 1892. His son Georges inherited a thriving business and one enormous problem: counterfeits. The Louis Vuitton name was being copied on every continent. Markets flooded with fake trunks, fake canvas, fake everything. Georges responded with the most recognizable pattern in luxury history: the LV Monogram canvas. Introduced in 1896, the interlocking L and V surrounded by flowers and diamonds, printed on every surface of every product. Designed specifically to be impossible to mistake for anything else. It became the most copied design in the world anyway, but it also became the most desired. Through 2 world wars, Louis Vuitton survived. While other luxury houses collapsed, LV kept producing, kept expanding, kept refusing to lower its standards even during occupation. By the 1970s, the brand had gone truly global. Japan, United States, Hong Kong. In 1987, Louis Vuitton merged with Moet Hennessy to form LVMH, the largest luxury conglomerate on the planet. Under Bernard Arnault, the group grew to include over 70 of the world's most prestigious brands. But Louis Vuitton remained the crown jewel, the single most profitable luxury brand on earth, year after year without exception. Today, LV generates more revenue than most luxury brands combined. Its stores exist in every major city on Earth. Its bags appear on the arms of presidents, royalty, athletes, and millions of ordinary people who saved for years just to own one. The most counterfeited luxury item in the world. which tells you everything about its power. Nobody counterfeits what nobody wants. From a 13-year-old boy walking 400 kilometers with nothing, to a name recognized on every continent. Louis Vuitton did not sell luggage. He sold the idea that how you carry yourself says everything about who you are. If you enjoy stories about the ideas that shape the world's greatest brands, subscribe to the channel, because the next story is already waiting.